Alright, so here we got August's Petrol Box. And this month, let me tell you, for a little box, this thing got some pretty good weight. Like, it's making me flex. But yeah, and it's like legit, this is the heaviest box I've gotten from them. So I don't know what's inside. Let's find out. Alright, let's see what we got, because ever since I got the box, I'm like, this thing's heavy, and I don't know what's inside. So now we're gonna find out together. The little sheet tells me what the stuff is. So this is why it's so heavy. Impact driver. Yeah, so that's cool. Really deep shirt. Take it out and I'll show you in a bit. Oh yeah, okay. I've been trying to get one of these for a while. Just a little thing. I'm gonna use this just so I can clean my nails. Little brush. That's pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna keep this in the bathroom when I'm done working on my cars. That's dope. Eagle Grit, like hand cleaner. I believe this might be the second bottle they've sent out in a different box. That I've seen this before with them, and this thing's good. I like using it, so I'm almost out. So that's actually good that they sent another one. Alright. Subscribers ride of the month. I believe it's the Land Rover. Wait. What? So this one's August and this one's July. I don't remember if July's had one. Huh. Maybe they're like, oh snap, we didn't give him one. That's funny. But I don't remember this. I'm pretty sure they didn't put it in there. Maybe they didn't put them in the other boxes either. I don't know. But yeah, this one's from August. This one's from July. Got an air freshener. I thought this was a sticker. Nah, it's a magazine. It's S3 magazine. Trader, buy, sell. Photos, ads, sell. That's dope. Oh dang! Oh, there's some clean cars up in here. Some really dope builds. Alright, well. Alright. So I'm gonna start off with the Explorer t-shirt. It is a Fingernail Industry is the golden standard when it comes to online wheel markets, their gallery. It's just so I'm guessing it's a Fingernail Industry shirt. I don't know because I haven't opened it, but let me open it. Alright, so yeah, it's just a simple design. Looks like a Land Rover. I'm not too sure though. If you guys want to correct me, go ahead, go to the comments, let me know. It's like a little, it's like an olive green, army green, I guess. Pretty cool. I like the color. Just simple. Nothing on the back, just a simple design. Then we got the Eagle Grit hand cleaner. Make sure you guys wet your hands before you use this. When I first did this, I didn't know, but now I know. Don't be like me, read the instructions. Then for that, the description for that, most industrial mechanic hand cleaners and degreasers will leave your hands feeling dry and cracked. Moisturize your hands with neutral cleaner. A neutral clean scent that kills unpleasant odor, and it will never leave your flimsy residue or very strong orange smell. Dang, I don't know if they're throwing shots at a certain somebody. Cough, cough. Fast orange over there. But yeah, the fast orange that I use over there, it leaves you dry. Like after you wash your hands, it's I just use it just because it's still there. It's been there for the longest. I've been using this guy. I've been using the one they sent last time, and it's pretty okay, pretty good, not too bad. Then they did throw in, well, let me make sure that's what that is first. Yep, fingernail brush. So definitely gonna keep this in the bathroom. So whenever I'm done working on my car, I always be getting stuff underneath my fingernails. It gets annoying. Then we got, like I said, we got the subscribers month car. Right of the month. This one's July. I don't know. Like I said, I don't remember they threw it in there, but I'm pretty sure they didn't, and they're just throwing them in everybody's box this month. And then we got August 2021. I don't know if my camera ever focuses for any of these videos. It's always trash. Got a little sticker right here. Air freshener. And it's a new car smell. Pretty dope. And then 1/2 inch impact driver. Now this is why the box is so heavy. This thing comes in handy so much when I gotta work on brakes. I bought one a while back and I lost, I believe it's the Phillips head one. So now I got a backup one, which is good. This is dope. Literally, I'm just gonna throw it in my toolbox. So this unique tool converts a hammer strike into a powerful high torque force, freeing even the most stubborn fasteners. It's compact and lightweight and does not need an air power source, so you can use it in the garage or take it on the road or in the salvage yard to quickly remove parts long exposed to the elements. Yep. Like I said, that thing, the one I bought, that saved my life so many times when I've been taking rusted off bolts from, not calipers, but the rotors. Those things are usually either stripped or just rusted out. And then I've had a few, like just bolts here and there that have just been a struggle, and that thing's been coming in clutch. An S3 magazine. This thing has some dope. I just noticed it says Ricer Edition. I don't think none of these are Rice. What you think? These are all some clean builds. Especially that VIP build right there, man. That thing's sick. Off-road build. Man, what do they mean, Ricer Edition? But whatever. Toyota. Yeah, this is a dope magazine. I saw nothing Rice up in here. Probably like, no. Everything here was clean. Literally went through it. I legit thought all the rides were dope. I don't know what they talking about. Ricer Edition. This is Ricer. Damn, I don't know. I'm a Mega Ricer. Yeah, that's everything that I got. Yeah, that's this month's box. Let me rally up everything together. If you guys are interested in any of the stuff that I got this month, like in the subscription box, I'll leave a link in the description. That way you guys can check them out.